Hi, good morning VLA family. We're going to have a short video today about using the OWL to look up works cited. This will be really important going forward to you because if you get into any kind of career writing, writing business letters or anything like that, they might have you use a certain format, so you'll know how to look up formats. If you're citing any kind of papers, proving certain things, in college they're going to have you cite your references so that they can follow your logic. So you start learning about works cited through the short writing in the ELA classes, and I will show you where you need to find the MLA guide on the Purdue Writing Lab right now. So when we get to the OWL, we can go straight to the search, and for those of you who don't remember how to get there, this is the OWL page, and then you just click here where it says search page, and I'm going to say MLA citation you could use. You could say format, but MLA citation would work. MLA formatting and style guide, very good. I had to buy MLA formatting and style guides when I was in college over and over again because they changed the editions and the rules, and it's really excellent to have a good idea of what edition you're using and what your professor is expecting. So this following overview, it shows us how to use the MLA 8th edition. I think I was using the MLA like 3rd edition when I was in college. I'm not sure. I'd have to look on my bookshelf and see if I still have the book, but that book might be at the VLA building. So something else this shows you here is that there's an MLA vidcast and there's a Purdue OWL YouTube channel. And so honestly, I didn't even know this existed. So I'm going to open this link in a new tab. And I'm going to subscribe to this right away. And I would encourage you guys to subscribe to this too, because this is amazing. I never even knew all of this was in here. Back in the day, I was used to just using it as kind of a periodical. So there's your bonus today. Add that OWL Purdue YouTube. And so, okay, we get into creating a works cited list, and this is exactly what your short writing has you do in your Edgenuity. So it gives you a great overview of the process. It shows you how to do the entries starting with the author, how to write the title. It walks you right through every single thing. And of course, going forward, your Edgenuity course will give you a lecture, and that will also help you have knowledge that you need to complete this stuff. But that is just a bonus website. And like I said, I'm so excited about the Purdue YouTube channel, and I'm going to be watching that all afternoon. So anyway, that's it for today. I hope everyone stays cool. It was a really warm one this morning. I'm looking out my window. That's why I look over my shoulder, and also why I have terrible lighting. But it was a beautiful day when I walked this morning with the dog, but it was getting really warm. I was surprised because it's been so cool. I put away about 90 bales of hay yesterday, and I was glad I did it yesterday and not today. So you guys stay cool, stay well, and I look forward to seeing you sometime, I bet in the fall. Take care.